I have this Honda GCV 160 engine on this lawnmower right here. I also have two brand new Walbro spark plugs to go in there. That one right there, I have the gap on that spark plug cranked wide open. That one right there, I have it smashed almost all the way shut. Spark plug gaps do not matter. They're not as critical as everyone thinks. And I'm going to prove it to you right now.
Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
So the spark plug gap is supposed to be somewhere really close to 30 thousandths of an inch. Let's go with this one first. Got my little tool here. I cranked this wide open as far as this gauge goes, 99 thousandths of an inch. That is a huge gap. I could drive my truck through that gap. You think this is actually going to run? Let's go give it a try. Well, there you go. That's pretty surprising, actually, isn't it? Let's go with the other plug now. That gauge didn't go down low enough, so I'm using my feeler gauge. That is exactly 10 thousandths of an inch. There's barely any gap there at all. Well, think that one's going to work? We're about to find out. Well, there you have it. By no means am I saying do that on purpose, because who knows if your spark plug's going to blow out on you in a bit by doing that. Who knows damage that's going on in your ignition module maybe. All as I'm saying is if your Honda powered lawnmower won't start, it's not because of the spark plug gap. That's it. Steve out.